Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you are all having a wonderful day. Happy Friday. It's almost the weekend. Yay. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun and different unboxings. Today, as you can see from the title, we have our November 2020 BoxyCharm base box. So I'm really excited to get in here and see exactly what I got in my box. Before I do want to remind you guys that we do have an active giveaway going on. We have our huge holiday collaboration video giveaway going on. That is with Samantha Sweets. The link will be down below, so definitely enter if you have not already. And if you are new, again, welcome. My name is Nikki. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you join our YouTube family. And guys, I'm going to go ahead and put the dimensions and weight of my box right here, just so if you're still tracking yours, you may be able to tell if we're box twins. So for those of you that do not know, BoxyCharm is a monthly beauty subscription. You receive 5 full-size items every month. You get to choose one of the items each month, and it is $25. It is free shipping, and it is just a great box. So even on the months where BoxyCharm isn't a great deal, it's still a good box. So let's just dive in here and see what I got. I think I remember what I chose, but it seems like it was forever ago. Like, I don't know, but I've had a lot going on. Finally over the pneumonia, I think, for the most part, and feeling much better, so that's always a good thing. All right, so when you open it, this is what you see. So there's always a product card, and it looks like the theme is harvest, which is definitely appropriate for November. And I have variation 16. You can see right there. So we are just gonna get in here and, oh, I think this is what I chose. I think I remember now that I see this. This is from Milk Makeup, and this is their Kush Waterproof Mascara. It says, high volume, naturally lit, seal the deal. So this is the packaging. It's rather heavy. And then it shows a before and after. We'll be the judge if that's real or not. But let's see what this says about this mascara here. So the Milk Makeup Kush Waterproof Mascara, a waterproof, intense black mascara with thickening heart-shaped fibers and conditioning hemp-derived cannabis seed oil, $24. Okay. That's why I think I chose this. It intrigued me that a mascara had the cannabis. Y'all, this is legit like the heaviest mascara I have ever felt. You could probably knock somebody out with this. This thing is heavy and it's huge. Like, okay, let's see what the, so it's like a normal wand. I'm looking because I swear y'all this looks purple or something. What? No, just the way it looks. It has no smell. Normally mascara, you have that normal mascara smell. I don't smell anything. I'm excited to give that a try. So item number 1, I'm very pleased with. I chose it. Okay, and then let's see what we have here. Oh, Murad Hydration. Hydrodynamic Ultra Moisture for eyes. Okay. Deeply quench the delicate eye area with this nourishing cream. A blend of hyaluronic acid and algae extract seal in moisture, helping to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and restore smoothness. Gentle enough for sensitive skin. $70. I know Murad is expensive, but whoa. For an eye cream? Better make me look 25. So here is the actual product. Let's see if it's, so it does have this kind of seal here Just want to see if it's got a scent. Very, 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 very light. All right, well, I'm going to start using that, that's for sure. All right, and then let's see. We got some brushes. Moda Metallics. Love brushes. I really like Moda brushes too. Ultimate Eye Sculptors. Define your eyes like never before with these all-star brushes, specially designed to apply and blend cream and powder shadows with ultimate precision. The beautiful metallic rose gold color is sure to make this duo stand out on your vanity. $15. So let's see. They feel nice. They're not very heavy, but they do feel nice. I like the texture on the handle. So we have the Crease M16. Blend shadows into the crease, diffuse colors, or add a soft, precise highlight with this fluffy, slightly tapered brush. Thinking about blush. It does feel nice. Okay. And then the next one is called the Triad Eye. Oh, that's neat. Can you guys see that? It's like a triangle. M27. This unique brush can precisely apply shadows, blend into the crease, and define the lid due to its flat angle and tapered tip. I could see that totally with like really getting into the crease because of the shape of this. I'm excited about these. Okay. And then, y'all, oh my God, I knew this was a possibility and I got it. I knew because of this. We have a 25% off to Natasha Denona. It is site-wide and it is good through December 25th, so through Christmas. It's NDX Boxy, so like Natasha Denona and Boxy. I'm excited, I'm stuttering. So there's that if you'd like to try that. But I got the Natasha Denona palette. This is the Peak palette, and from my understanding, this was made specifically for BoxyCharm. It's actually shades, I believe, from some of her other palettes. This is weighted too, the mascara and this both. All right. And this is bigger than the other 5-pan palettes I have. A 5-pan palette featuring Natasha's essential everyday warm tone eye pigments that she mixes and matches from her favorite palettes, all reorganized and wrapped into one, composed of both creamy, matte, and metallic formulas from the cult classics Biba, Safari, and Sunrise eyeshadow palettes. You'll find yourself reaching for this all season long. $48. You guys, this is stunning. And it's almost, even though that's like plastic, it's such a tight grip closure that it's almost magnetic. Magnetic-like. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and we are going to do some swatches. Oh my gosh, that is so creamy. All right, so here are the 4 mattes. Oh my goodness. All right, so there they are. This one right here is very light, so you can't really see it that well. This first shade right here. All right, and then let's do the shimmer. Her shimmers are always on point. All right, so here's the shimmer swatch. You guys, that is stunning and beautiful. I love it. I can see so many looks with this palette. I am so excited. Y'all, this is like seriously such an amazing box. Okay, we got one more item and it's buried under here. Really, BoxyCharm? Really? Really? So they gave me the Natasha Denona, and then they gave me another eyeshadow palette by Beauty Creations, the Esmeralda 2. I'm not even sure what this looks like. I think I've seen the first one. Oh, it's that, well, okay, well the colors are actually pretty. Let me, they actually are very, very pretty. A good mix of matte and shimmer, transition shades. I'm not going to swatch this since I've swatched the Natasha Denona. But I mean, I could see some eye looks with that. That actually is a very pretty palette. Let's put it back in here. Let's read what they say about this guy right here. This is $13.99. It says, this palette is named after Beauty Creations CEO and made for a night out on the town. The bold shimmer shades ranging from gold to midnight blue make for the perfect statement look when paired with the rich matte shades in this palette as well. And if I didn't say, it's $13.99. So this I'm a little thrown off because it's like, I feel like we got higher end, pricier products. And then we got a $13.99 palette, but I'm not mad at it because it is actually a very pretty palette. I'll go ahead and add everything up for my box, put the total right down here for you guys so you can see the value. I only paid $25 and this box is phenomenal. I would have to say this is one of my favorite BoxyCharm boxes in a while, in quite a few months. They just knocked it out of the park in my opinion. My box was fantastic. What did you think of this box? Do you get BoxyCharm? Are we box twins? If not, what did you get? I love hearing from you guys. I do want to say a special thank you to my channel members. Your support means so very much to me. There is a link down below if you would like to find out more about channel membership and the benefits. I do have the channel members only giveaway coming up, so be on the lookout for that. If you are one of my channel members, I appreciate everyone being here and watching. It means so much to me that you take time out of your day to watch my videos. I love y'all. I will see you on the next one. Have a fantastic day. Bye.